Oh my god, guys! Oh, this is all bullshit. Water's running, rain, all that shit. Oh, don't be scared, Abraham. Don't be scared.
Okay.
Fuck, guys. This is too fucking hard. I'm recording. My mom, we just went to hell. We just went through hell over there back in my school. Now my mom has to go back. And we're staying here. And they're not ready to go back to my house. So I'm just going to record everything that's going to happen to us. God, you should have seen. If I recorded this earlier, guys. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Hey guys, it's Raymond. Leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. This is too fucking crazy. I'm doing this in my real camera. Now my other camera, I do it with my phone, with the gameplay and all that shit. No, I'm not gonna do that with that. Okay? I'm gonna do it with my real camera because with that one I can't fully show what's gonna happen. So after I record everything, I'm just gonna put it to my I don't know how to do that. I'm just gonna put some things on it. Don't be scared, okay? Don't be scared. You're a good boy. Are you a strong boy or a bad boy?
Strong boy.
Good job.
I'm listen to my teacher.
Oh God, Lord.
Was that scary?
Yeah, because we've been through hell. We're in hell now, guys.
Yeah, we did hell.
If we be good, we're gonna be in heaven. This is hell. Ugh. I'm gonna check. Yo, guys, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, let me put it like a closer look. Soup. We got that. Sorry guys, it's kind of shaky because I gotta keep control of the umbrella. I'm trying to look out for my mom because I know she. Oh, I see her. Oh, good, she's running to us. She's running. God, Lord. Oh. I know she's coming. Amran. She's coming. Or maybe not.
I think. We look like.
Get back. Go back. I'm gonna look again. I saw her running. Okay, good. Go on. Oh God. God, look at this shit. Up. Okay. Oh Lord, it's so windy. Oh God. Oh, what the hell? Oh, poor tree. Oh, yo. Oh. No, you can't get me. Ahí se viene aquí cuando caminas aquí.
Tienes que buscarle, mira. Checa cómo está cayendo el agua.
Así.
Entonces la sombrilla se pone así para que el agua.
Got it.
Aquí enfrente.
Okay, Ma. Oh Lord. Nice car.
Oh, I know wet. Look.
Yeah. You're in Mom's shoulder.
Only you're wet, not me.
Yeah. Oh. Dude, what the heck?
What?
My friend's all wet. You're all wet, dude?
Yeah, I'm wet. What do you think? You taking it?
Huh?
You taking it?
Yeah.
You are?
Dude, this is so hard. Yeah. He did. Me and my mom did.
I know. He's like, I'm so nice.
No, bro. You YouTube? No, dude. The memory. No, to the memory. Oh Lord, dude, it is so hard. God, what the hell?
Don't do like that with the hey, get home. Take a hot bath.
Dude, here.
Tiene la sombrilla.
Use it.
Llévatela, papá.
Oh, you see me?